An uncommon ministry of healing by kissing.
Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Stop it, stop. It's enough.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, yes, Lord.
I said stop. I have little kids watching this program.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Where are you run? Come. You are a sinner. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to. This is just bad in every way. There's no way you can look at this that is not bad. How dare you kiss somebody without their consent? This is not your wife. And can you guys hear church members saying, "Thank you, Jesus"?
Thank you, Jesus. Yes, Lord.
Oh my God. I didn't ask you to play it. They had it the first time. It wasn't even like, that was not even pecking. That was a long kiss. Why? Oh, by the way, if it's an elderly woman, he won't kiss them. He will only sit on them.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Father. And sometimes he lays his hands on the breast. Father in heaven, one more time, no vex. No vex.
For the 10 years.
My Ghanaian people, you need to talk to your son. You need to talk to your son. Wait, you think the man of God is bleaching? I don't think so. He's a man of God. Maybe it's just my eyes, but his hands look darker than his face. Don't take offense, my Chale brothers and sisters. We have them in Nigeria as well, and we shame them. You need to go and get your son from South Africa. He's embarrassing the name of Ghana in South Africa. And my people in South Africa, if you let him get away with this, and after kissing, what is next? Sex in the name of deliverance? Is that what you are waiting for? Me, I will continue to say my own, and yes, I'm also a Christian. So I'm not saying that you shouldn't believe in God. I'm just saying, make you not shine your eye well. There